Our mission on the Dad Vinci channel is to give you serving suggestions for life. In this video, and by popular demand, we'll introduce you to a really tasty snack that just takes minutes to prepare. It's Dad Vinci time. So grate yourself some cheddar cheese. The next bit is the real basic bit of it. It's just eggs and cheese. So the next thing I'm going to do is just going to add some cheese. Okay, it's cooking time now. I've got my omelette mix here. I've had microwave as well. I've got an 800 watt microwave, so you might need to adjust your cooking times accordingly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each step now, just to blast this, to cook it, so that we can then put it in our toasted muffin. Here we have one microwave, and if we can put that in there better than that, one mixture. So what we're going to do is the first blast I'm going to give is on full power for exactly 1 minute. So that should cook nicely. That should give us the good start, and then what we'll do is we'll edge around the edge of it to make sure it doesn't stick to the sides. Then we'll do another 30-second blast, and then a 30-second blast once we've flipped it over at the end, ready to go in the muffin. Okay, so what I need now is I need something to edge it with, and I have a trusty silicone edger. Okay, so let's have a look at that. That looks okay. It's dipped a bit in the middle, but that's fine. All we need to do now is literally just edge round there. So it's just, again, stick it on for 30, which is standard setting on this particular microwave. This is the only tricky bit now. So we've given it a blast on as it goes in. So what we'll do is we're just going to flip this over inside here now, so we can get the underside cooked. It's not too bad. It gets a little bit tricky. You need to give it a bit of an edge in now, just so that it cooks okay on both sides. So what we do is we'll put that back in the microwave for another 30 seconds, and then it's time to get it in the muffin. Okay, we fast forward a bit here right to the end, so you'll get the end result. And there we have it. Okay, one lightly toasted muffin, like a little bit of butter on that. So there's a little squirt of a good old-fashioned Marmite, the big squeeze. And here's our omelette we prepared earlier. So what we do is we plonk that on there like so. We have a perfectly formed mini omelette. We hope you liked our video and our serving suggestion. Please pop some comments in the section below to let us know how you like your Dad Vinci muffin. Remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And stay tuned to Dad Vinci.